Now, before we focus on the functions of the World Bank, we will throw light on how the focus, organization, and portfolio of the World Bank have evolved since 1944 till the current times. As is clearly visible, in 1944, the focus was on post war reconstruction and development, whereas today the focus is on worldwide poverty alleviation. The organization was consisted of a homogeneous staff of engineers and financial analysts based solely in Washington, D.C. Whereas today, a multidisciplinary and diverse staff, including economists, public policy experts, sectoral experts, and social scientists, 40% internationally located. The portfolio was heavy infrastructure investment projects, whereas today the portfolio consists of social sector lending projects, poverty alleviation, and the comprehensive development framework. Coming to the functions of the World Bank, presently the World Bank is playing the main role of providing loans for development works to member countries, especially to underdeveloped countries. The bank provides loans for various development projects of 5 to 20 years duration. First, bank can grant loans to member countries up to 20% of its share in paid up capital. Banks also provide loans to private investors belonging to members on its own guarantee, but private investors need to take permission of its native country. Banks charge 1% to 2% as service charge. Third, the quantum of loan service, interest rate, terms and conditions are decided by the World Bank itself. Fourth, generally bank grants loan for a particular project duly submitted to the bank by the member country. And fifth, the debtor nation has to repay either in reserve currencies or in currencies in which the loan was sanctioned. Let's talk about the World Bank lending to India. India has been borrowing from the World Bank for various projects in the area of poverty reduction, infrastructure, and rural development, etc. IDA funds are one of the most concessional external loans for Government of India and are largely used in social sector projects that contribute to the achievement of Millennium Development Goals. The first World Bank loan to India was in 1948 of US dollars 86 billion. The debt disbursed and outstanding as on March 2011 for IBRD is US $11.28 and for IDA it is US $27 billion. Now, appraisal of the World Bank activates. Bank has sanctioned 75% of its loan to developing countries of Africa, Asia, and Latin America, while only 25% was given to developed nations of the Europe. But still, it is believed by most of the countries that the developed countries do have good command on the governing body of World Bank because of their largest contribution to the exchequer of the bank.